Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. Okay, so I'm back with this drugstore glam makeup look. Like, for real, everything I use is from the drugstore. Like, you can literally just walk into the drugstore, Target, Walmart, beauty supply store, anywhere, and get this makeup. So right now I'm just starting off my brows using my Makeup Revolution brow pencil. And then I'm going to follow by using their concealer. I forgot the shade, and just going to clean up my brows. I did my brows off camera, and I had also finished cleaning my brows up off camera, as you will see in a minute. So next I'm going to take this Makeup Revolution palette. I don't know the name, but everything will be listed down below in the description bar, so make sure you guys check that out. But I'm taking this caramel shade, using it as my transition shade, putting that all in my crease, buffing that out. And then I went in with a darker shade. You will see in a minute. Yep, like that orange tone shade. And I also had added that to my outer crease, working that into my crease. Yeah, y'all know what I'm talking about. So I'm just deepening that crease up with that color. Now I'm going back into this palette using this brown tone shade, and I'm focusing that more so on my outer corner. So I'm like doing a rotation in circle motion. And yes, I'm just going to keep that there. And then you will see later in the video that I take that leftover product from the brush and I go in my inner corner as well to blend all those shades together. Okay, so now I'm taking some concealer that I had put on the back of my hand, and I'm going to cut out my crease. Y'all can see I was kind of struggling. Like, it's hard to try to cut out a crease for the camera, you know, doing it in the mirror. Like, I literally had to be close up in the mirror. So I went in and did that off camera, and now I'm just going to come back on camera and show you guys how I put this glitter on my eyes. And I'm using this NYX glitter. It is so freaking pretty. So I'm just using this. As you can see, I cut my crease out, and I'm using this pretty blue glitter all over my eyelids where I had cut my crease. Okay, so off camera I had finished up my eyes, and then as you can see, I took these Broadway lashes and I put these on off camera, as well as I did my eyeliner. Now I'm going in with this liquid illuminizer highlighter, and it's by L.A Colors. Y'all, this is so pretty. So I'm taking this before I put down my foundation, just because it gives me a glow. And yeah, so next you're going to see me applying my foundation. This is a foundation stick by Makeup Revolution. Don't come for me. I know on camera it looks orange, like it doesn't match me, but it matches me oxidized. So you will see at the end. Okay. Okay, and then I just went in and added some more foundation using my LA Girl Pro foundation. I just wanted more coverage. Like, I wanted this to be like a high glam. Like, I don't be using this much makeup, but I was like, I'm going all out today, okay? So that's what I did. added more foundation to give me more coverage and all of that good stuff. So now I'm going back in using this Makeup Revolution concealer to do my highlighting, as well as mixing this with my Rimmel concealer, and it's in medium. Y'all, I love this concealer to death. I need to get some more. This would be my third bottle, my third tube. So I'm just blending that all out, and then I'm going to set it with some powder. So I'm going to come back when I get to that part. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention, don't come for my hair, okay? Your girl just took her little quick weave out and got this little natural little hairstyle going on. My part not even straight. Usually my part is straight, okay? But I don't care. So now I'm taking this Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder. This is their new powder that's out there. Everybody's raving and talking about. So yes, this is what I'm using to set my highlighted areas. Well, I'm baking. I love baking. I do some setting sometimes when I'm on the go, rushing, but I'm baking. And I'm just, yeah, going to bake wherever I highlight it. So now I'm going to do some cream contour. Like, it's been forever since I did this. I don't like cream contour no more. Like, I really don't. But I'm taking this Black Radiance contour palette and I'm going to contour. And then after that, I'm going to set it with the Black Radiance powder palette. And I took the Scope color. And yeah, I just set my contour palette. I just set my contour, my cream contour with that powder, okay? Golly, Sierra, get it together. So now I'm taking this LA Girl Pro powder, face powder, and I'm also adding that to my face as well as sweeping away that baking powder. Now I'm taking this NK highlighter that I got from the Beauty Supply store. It's a pretty gold. Like I said, I will have everything listed down below in the description box so you guys can find out exactly what I use and the name. After this, I'm just going to take a brown lip liner, which I didn't show, and I took this LA Girl Color Matte Lipstick and I applied it to my lips, and I also added some gloss on top of that. And yes, that was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this drugstore video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Also, check out my Poshmark. I reopened it. Link will be below.